Dear viewers, welcome to this video lesson. Today we'll be doing some exercises and stretches which you can do while sitting on your desk. Sit comfortably, spine erect. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, while breathing in, very gently turn your head to the right side. And while breathing out, come back to the center. Do the same to the left side and repeat it for a few times. Relax, breathe in and breathe out. Now, while breathing in, very gently drop your head to the right shoulder as much as you can. Feel the stretch to the left side of your neck muscles. While breathing out, come back to the center. Do the same to the left side. Make sure your shoulders should not be raised. Repeat it for a few times. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Very gently drop your head to the back. Feel the stretch on your throat muscles. While breathing out very gently, come back and drop your head in front. Chin to the chest. Feel the stretch at back of your neck. Now, while breathing in very gently, rotate your head clockwise. And while coming front, breathe out. Do it anti-clockwise and repeat it for a few times. This exercise is very helpful to improve thyroid disorder. Relax, breathe in and breathe out. Sit comfortably, spine erect. Now, breathe in and raise your shoulders to up. Try to touch the ears. While breathing out, come down, feel the stretch. Repeat it for a few times. Now rotate your shoulders forward to backward and backward to forward. Repeat the same for a few times. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Expand your arms in front of your shoulders. Open your fingers as much as you can. Feel the stretch and make it tight fist and open it. Repeat it for a few times. Now rotate your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise for a few times. Now interlock your fingers and place it at the back of your head. Feel the stretch at your back. Hold this position for a few seconds. And relax. Repeat it for a few times. Breathe in and breathe out. Put your palm over your head and rotate it around your head. Do it for both the hands for a few minutes. This exercise is very helpful to improve cervical disorder. Breathe in and breathe out. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Relax. Now, we'll sit for meditation for a few minutes.